Feeling stuck, stressed, or out of balance? What if I told you that you can unlock your body's natural energy and heal yourself in just 10 minutes? Welcome to How to Heal Your Chakras with Guided Meditation. I'm Elena, and today I'll guide you through a powerful meditation to balance your chakras and transform your energy. Stick around because this is going to feel amazing. Hit the subscribe button and let's dive in. Before we start the meditation, let's talk about what chakras are. Chakras are the 7 energy centers in your body, each connected to different aspects of your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. When they are blocked, you might feel tired, anxious, or disconnected, but when they are balanced, you feel vibrant, centered, and alive. Here's a quick rundown. Root chakra, Muladhara, located at the base of your spine, is red and governs stability and security. Sacral chakra, Swatisthana, below your navel, it's orange and controls creativity and emotions. Solar plexus chakra, Manipura, at your stomach, it's yellow and drives confidence and power. Heart chakra, Anahata, in your chest is green and rules love and compassion. Throat chakra, Vishuddha, at your throat, it's blue and supports communication. Third eye chakra, Ajna, between your eyebrows, it's indigo and enhances intuition. And crown chakra, Sahasrara, at the top of your head, it's violet or white and connects you to spirituality. By meditating on those chakras, we can clear blockages and restore balance. Ready to try it? Let's get comfortable. Find a quiet, comfortable place to sit or lay down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Let your body relax. Feel your shoulders soften, your jaw release, and your breath become slow and steady. Let's begin with the root chakra. Picture a glowing red light at the base of your spine. This is your foundation, your connection to the earth. As you breathe in, imagine this red light growing brighter, filling you with strength and safety. Say to yourself, I'm grounded, I'm secure. Now, move to the sacral chakra. Just below your navel, see a warm orange light swirling here, igniting your creativity and joy. Breathe deeply and let this light dissolve any emotional tension. Say, I'm creative, I'm free. Shift to the solar plexus chakra at your stomach. Visualize a bright yellow light radiating confidence and power. Feel it warming your core, empowering you. Say, I'm strong, I'm enough. Now, focus on the heart chakra. In the center of your chest, imagine a vibrant green light expanding with every breath, filling you with love and compassion. Say, I'm loved, I am loving. Move to the throat chakra at your throat. See a clear blue light glowing, opening your voice. Breathe in and let this light clear any blocks to expression. Say, I speak my truth with ease. Now, the third eye chakra between your eyebrows. Picture an indigo light pulsing here, awakening your intuition. Feel clarity wash over you. Say, I trust my inner wisdom. Finally, the crown chakra. At the top of your head, envision a violet or white light connecting you to the universe. Feel peace and divine connection. Say, I am one with the universe. Now imagine all 7 chakras glowing brightly, aligned and balanced. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, feel your entire body radiating energy and harmony. When you are ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring your awareness back to the room. Open your eyes, feeling refreshed and balanced.